Get me sold today. The price has been reduced and the vendor wants to see a sold sign before Christmas. Here's your chance to buy this lovely house in Cattery or just keep 602 Waitarere Beach Road as a home. As soon as you go up the driveway, you'll feel relaxed and secluded. There are 2 bedrooms, 2 living areas and a sun-drenched conservatory to make the most of the wonderful beach living. The Cattery has resource consent and is well designed, offering superior feline accommodation. Should you wish to expand the business, an opportunity is also available to accommodate small and large dogs as well as an aviary. What's more, you can land bank for the future as a rear section is included in the price. So if you're looking for a lifestyle where your hobby is your job, you need to call Clive now. Clive Williams at Property Brokers Live In. Call Clive anytime on 027 240 9265.